Lesson number 11. Circle. Identify the radii, chords and diameters in the circle alongside and write their names in the table below. Radii, OB, OC, OA, OF, chords, EC, AD, diameters, AB, FC. Place a cylindrical bottle on a paper and trace the outline of its base. Use a thread to measure the circumference of the circle. Measure the circumference of a bangle with the help of a thread. Measure the circumference of any cylindrical object using a thread. Let's learn. Measure the circumference and diameter of the objects given below and enter the ratio of the circumference to its diameter in the table. Serial number, object, circumference, diameter, ratio C divided by D. First, bangle, 19 cm, 6 cm, 19 divided by 6 is equal to 3.16. 2. Circular dish, 25 cm, 9 cm, 20 divided by 9 is equal to 2.77. 3. Lid of a jar, 20 cm, 6 cm, 20 divided by 6 is equal to 3.33. The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is a little over 3 and remains constant. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi. Great mathematicians have proved through hard work that this number is not a rational number. In practice, the value of pi is taken to be 22 divided by 7 or 3.14. If the value of pi has not been given in a problem, it is taken to be 22 divided by 7. If radius is r, diameter d and circumference c divided diameter is equal to pi, means c equals pi d. But diameter is equal to 2 radius. Therefore, c equals pi into 2r or c equals 2 pi r. Example. The diameter of a circle is 14 cm. Find its circumference. Solution. Diameter d equals 14 cm. Circumference is equal to pi d. C equals 22 divided by 7 into 14, which is equal to 44. Means circumference of the circle is equal to 44 centimeters. Example. The radius of a circle is 35 centimeters. Find its circumference. Solution. Radius of the circle r is equal to 35 centimeters. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. C is equal to 2 into 22 divided 7 into 35 is equal to 220. Circumference of the circle is equal to 220 centimeters. Now, see another example. Example. The circumference of a circle is 198 centimeters. Find its radius and diameter. Solution. Circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. 198 is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 7. R is equal to 198 into 1 divided 2 into 7 divide 22. Radius is equal to 31.5 centimeters. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 into 31.5 is equal to 63 centimeters. Example. The radius of the wheel of a bus is 0.7 meters. How many rotations will a wheel complete while traveling a distance of 22 kilometers? Solution. Circumference of circle is equal to pi d is equal to 22 divided 7 into 0.7 is equal to 2.2 meters. When the wheel completes one rotation, it crosses a distance of 2.2 meters. One rotation is equal to one circumference. Total number of rotations, distance divided circumference, is equal to 22,000 divided by 2.2 is equal to 2,20,000 divided 22 is equal to 10,000. Means a wheel completes 10,000 rotations to cover the distance of 22 kilometers. Arc of the circle. The chord AB divides the circle alongside two parts. Of these, the arc AXB is smaller and is called the minor arc. Arc AYB is bigger and is called the major arc. Minor arc AXB is also expressed as arc AB. If two arcs of a circle have common endpoints and the arcs make one complete circle, the arcs are said to be corresponding arcs. Here, arc AYB and arc AXB are mutually corresponding arcs. In the figure alongside, chord RT is the diameter of the circle. The diameter gives rise to two equal arcs. They are called semicircular arcs. Central angle and the measure of an arc. In the figure, O is the vertex of angle AOB. An angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called a central angle. The angle AOB in the figure is the central angle corresponding to arc AZB. The measure of the angle subtended at the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of the arc. The measure of a minor arc. In the figure alongside, the measure of angle AOQ is equal to 70. Therefore, measure of the minor arc AYQ is 70 degrees. It is written as measure of arc AYQ is equal to 70 degrees. The measure of a major arc. Measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degrees minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. Therefore, measure of a major arc AXQ in the figure is equal to 360 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to 290 degrees. The measure of a circle. When the radius OA of a circle turns anti-clockwise, as shown in the figure alongside, through a complete angle, it turns through an angle that measures 360 degrees. Its endpoint A completes one circle. Therefore, the angle subtended at the center by the circle is 360 degrees. Therefore, the measure of the complete circle is 360 degrees. Measure of a semicircular arc. Now, look at the figure and determine measures of semicircular arcs AXB and AYB. Now, it means the measure of a minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. The measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. The measure of semicircular arc is equal to 180 degree.